Hello, I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to review these Kef Q11 speakers. Well, these speakers came out around 2004, I think in the USA. They came out in 2003 or 2002, I'm not sure, but here in Europe they came out in 2004. These were speakers from about, well, between 1500 and 2000 euros, so they were not cheap speakers. And, well, the first thing I noticed when I bought this speaker, look at this. The veneer, it is just cheap plastic. Look at this, because, let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Because sometimes, and I see this on the second-hand market, a lot of these speakers, this Q series, have the problem that the veneer on top, you have to well, if you're gonna buy these speakers, often this veneer doesn't, well, it have, you can see it here, right here, that the veneer is, let me go out of the light, yeah, it's like it is folded, and sometimes it is very bad, the foldings are very bad, so, and I don't know if this is real wood veneer, but it looks a little bit very thin. And from 40 meters distance it looks very nice. It is very nice looking. Look at this, yeah, but the way they put it on it, it's not always correct, especially in the top. I see this often on these speakers. This one is okay, this one doesn't have problems, but I see often on these speakers that the yeah, I can feel it here, I can feel a bump here, yeah, and that's because they didn't handle the veneer very good, because you cannot have foldings in, yeah, well, this is a factory mistake. This has nothing to do with how the owner treats his speaker. This is just, you can see it here, and this is not good, because these are expensive speakers. You can see it right here. I put it in the light now, yeah, and well, this is a small thing, yeah, but, well, when you pay 1500 to 2000 euro for a set of speakers, you may expect that, well, that the quality is good, and that's not always the case with this Q series, okay? Look at this. These are broken off. That means that they are not strong enough. It's not the fault of the previous owner. It's just that, well, it's weak material, and the drivers are made from rubber bands, and that's what I like. I always like speakers with rubber bands. This is quality, and well, I test them out against my Magnat 07, and they sound much detailer than my old 07s. The mids are okay, the bass is okay. Okay, the bass is not that strong as on my 07, but it's enough. I could live with it. I spin these speakers for days in my house now, and well, I like the sound. I really like this sound, and it is a good sounding speaker. It is, well, I'm not sure. The BMW 604 or 603, well, they are in the same price class when they were new in the shop, yeah, and well, I'm not sure how this, I heard this BMW 603 for a very short time, so I can't really say if that is a better speaker, but this Kef's, well, they sound nice. It's a four-way system, and the strange thing of this speaker, it is only 18.3 kilo, and it's very lightweighted. It comes with, as you can see, with these legs, yes. And what also comes, including the speaker, are these, well, these foams. I don't know if you can see it. Let me take it out of the package. Yeah, look at this. And these foam, for example, you can pop on the back in the woofer port, yeah, so if you think it's too much bass, and this one goes well, it's a little bit shaky, but this one goes in here. Yeah, so you can, if you want, you just can. Well, I don't know what is the meaning of this thing, because I always like the way speakers are built, and I don't like to change things on it. So why should you lower the bass? Because the bass is not super strong from these speakers. They are just okay. Yeah, I wish it had more bass, to be honest. And well, the speakers can handle 200 watt of power, and it's a four-way system. Yeah, you see 3 speakers, but it is a 1, 2, 3, and here's the 3. That's a four-way system, a real four-way system. Yes, and they are beautiful, beautiful speakers, and especially in this color. I think this color is the most popular color on the second-hand market. I paid €500 for these speakers, a lot of money. I just want to test them out. One time I thought, well, let's try it out, and if they are that good, well, I am gonna keep them. But lucky for me, the same day I scored these speakers, I scored these big Infinities. Look at them, look at them. Big Infinity SM152, and I only scored them for €75, and they sound better. But you will see that in the text, the sound test between the Kef Q11, the Infinity SM152, and my, in the corner, my Magnat 07. I have other Magnat over there, the Magnat MSP 120, big speaker also, but I don't include that speaker in the test. But for now, we just concentrate on this Kef Q11, and I will keep this video short, and I will test this speakers today with George Benson. With a, let me open my tablet, with the album Give Me the Night. And this album is from 1981, and it was on the peak of the disco time, and really this song Give Me the Night really was a very popular song, a top 40 song. Is not the best song from the album, and I bought 2 records from this thing, because the first record was completely destroyed by the many times I spin this record, and the second record I still have to have somewhere. I have to see in my, I think it's in my basement. And but yeah, I don't spin often records. Mostly I spin I spin my MP3s, and this is how this speaker sounds on on George Benson. Listen to this. And today I will spin this these speakers on this little Teak AH500. And don't think this is a bad small amplifier, because this is really a perfect sounding amplifier. It has a dual mono setup inside, and well, I tested it out against other amps, and it really sounds perfect. So listen to this. Don't think because the amp is small, well, you guys think, well, what is this guy testing these speakers with? This amp really is quality. And I put everything on flat, so this thing doesn't have loudness. Yeah, I just put my bass treble in the middle. Yeah, the thing is a little bit dirty. I didn't clean it yet. Yeah, you can see there's some spots, but I will do a separate review from this Teak receiver together with the matching tuner. It's a very nice amplifier, very nice sounding amplifier. I will use it. I will not sell this thing. I will use it for my, well, my computer. I like the thing. Like nice small thing, or maybe a bedroom setup. Really nice amplifier. And this song, what you're gonna hear now, Mood is Mood, is I think the best song from this album. Old song, well, and George just covered this song, but the way he covered this is just beautiful.
Pretty baby, you are the soul who snaps my control. Such a funny thing, but every time we are one, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. If there's a cloud up above us, the thing, baby, just let me get next to you. Am I insane, or do I really see heaven in your eyes? So tell me why stop to think about this weather, my dear.
What is all this talk about loving me, my sweet? I am not afraid, not anymore, not like before. My heart's on fire, come on, take me up, be what you make me, my darling, my sweet.
Oh, pretty baby. Jeez, will you come on in, man? You can blow now if you want to. Looking at you, I hope to find what's hiding in your head. Something's going on, I can feel it coming through, and I think you feel it too. What's on your mind? Are you looking for somebody new? Finds us caught in life's most sensible trance. From too much talk to loving touches, love touches. Joy to me ain't a place that I will and we'll let the world go sailing by. On a day when problems get me down, it's nice to think, and though the years make me old and gray, darling, you still take my breath away.
Well, that was the album from George Benson, Give Me the Night, 1981, and one of my most favorite albums ever. And well, these speakers, they are okay, but not for that price tag, not for 500 euro second hand. And when I listened to this sound, when I heard this sound, and well, my magnet, they sounds better than my magnets. To be honest, they sounds better. I like more the sound of the magnet, but they sounds better. They are more detailed, they are in the complete spectrum, bass, mid and treble. They are, they are just, everything is doing their job okay. But that's all. Yeah, the sound is not explicit superb. Yes, it is just a good sounding speaker. When I compare them with these infinities beat the Kefs on in the highs, in the mids and in the bass. So, and these are much cheaper on the second-hand market to find. Okay, I know a lot of women will not allow these speakers in the house because they are very big, and according to many women they are ugly. And these are beautiful speakers. Look at them. These are just beautiful speakers. And if you want to have a stylish speaker, well, this speaker is one of the best looking speakers around. And even when you compare this speaker with modern 2015 speakers, well, this speaker will beat a lot of, well, for the looks, yeah, it will beat a lot of speakers today in the shop. And well, I think if you're gonna buy speakers new in the shop around 1500, 2000 euro, well, I think you better can buy speakers like this. They are still good looking, yeah, they have rubber ends, so they are long life duty, and these babies can sing for many years to come. And they are good speakers. They are good speakers, stylish speakers, beautiful speakers. And but if you really want to have a perfect sound, well, for me, I'm looking for the perfect sound. Yes, and my search was first to find speakers below 200 euro, and well, that didn't work out for me. I didn't find those speakers below 200 euro, so I decided to spend more money on my speakers. So that's why I bought these speakers for 500 euro, and second hand 500 euro, and I thought it was a good price. I heard a lot of these speakers, and well, the same day I also bought these speakers for 75 euros. And well, I put them on the market for the same 500 euro. This guy is gonna pick these speakers up, so I'm even. I just was happy to test them out, and now I know how they sound. They are very good speakers. Don't take me wrong. Yeah, these are very good sounding speakers. Only the infinities are just well, they beat this guess by big lengths. And you will see this with my coming test, my VS test, this Kef Q11 against these infinities, these big clunky speakers, and against my Magnet 07. And well, this was my test from the Kef Q11. If you buy them, well, you will like this sound. I'm sure you will like this sound. You will like the looks, and well, for a price from 500 euro, you have good speakers for that price. But I like more these speakers. So this was my review from these beautiful Kefs, but because beautiful they are. Thanks for watching. Put those thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And for now I say bye bye.